Hello everyone, welcome back to another installation video, and in today's video we have this 2022 Honda Pilot and we're going to install the headlight tints on this vehicle. So this is how the vehicle looks on the lens before the installation, and this is how it looks once the tint has been installed on the vehicle. The tints will protect the headlight from any small scratches or road debris that might hit the lens, as well as help the lens from yellowing over time. Link for the product will be in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. Okay, before we start with the installation, we want to make sure we apply slip solution on the lens. That way we prep the lens before we install it. So we want to remove any of the contaminants that the lens might have. So once we finish prepping the headlight, the next thing is installing the tint onto the headlight. So just apply your slip solution on the film and on the lens. That way we're able to move the film to the position we need it to. So just grab it and then just lay the film onto the rest of the lens. For this one, the first step we're going to need to do is apply tack solution here. So we're going to tack this piece down first, secure it in place. That way we're able to stretch the film and remove any of the fingers that may come across the film here. Make sure it's aligned to the edge, tack it down, hold it in place. And once you have this piece secured, start moving on to the rest of the piece here. So we want to secure as much as possible. That way if we need to stretch, the film does not move when we're stretching and it just lays flat onto the lens. So with this one, we're going to need to stretch it up to it reaches the end here to remove any of the fingers that we have here. So make sure it's aligned on top. For this one, you're going to have to move the film up and then stretch this way. So just move it up, tack it down to cover the lens, and then stretch until it reaches the edge here. And then just hold it in place and then just continue tacking down the rest of the film. And then from here, once we have this piece secured, we move on to this piece. And in order to remove this finger, we're going to have to stretch down and then stretch this way. Let's apply tack solution. That way the film starts getting grip onto the lens. Dry up the spot here just to have better grip. Hold it down in place. Squeegee down this finger here. And then once you have it secured here, slowly make your way to this end. And then just finish off squeegeeing the rest. And the film is going to curve inside the headlight, so just help it. Okay, so in order to finish off the rest of the film, we need to pulse heat all around the edges to remove any of the fingers that you might see on the edges. And we just want to help the film seal down. That way it doesn't lift over time. So just apply tack solution all around the edge. And then with your microfiber towel and heat, just seal all the edges and remove the fingers. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Honda Pilot 2022. If you guys have questions in terms of installation, feel free to message us and we'll be happy to help you guys out. We hope that this video helps you guys out. Please make sure to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching and we'll see you guys on the next video.